SEO for beginners. Top placement in Google. Proof on page 1. Case study for the term Yakima web design. Hello, my name is Robert Hutchinson and I'm the owner of YakimaWebsiteDesign.com, and today I'm going to show you proof that I am number 2 ranked on Google for a main key phrase in my city for the term web design. Let's go to Google right now, type in Yakima web design. And also, people, I'm going to show you 7 powerful tips for SEO and how to get your website in top placement in Google. And it's not as difficult as you think it is, people. Okay? So as you scroll down here, you can see mind-binding web design is my number 1 placement rank in Google. As far as Google Places goes, that's my listing there. So I'm number 1 in Google Places. And if you can see here, right here, YakimaWebsiteDesign.com is number 2 ranked for the term Yakima web design. Now, here's some tips about SEO. You want the title you're targeting for your key phrase, which was Yakima web design, in the title tag. You want Yakima web design in the domain name. You also want to say Yakima web design in the description meta tag too, and the key phrase meta tag as well too. You want to say that as well too. Okay? If you don't know what those are, give me a call on the phone and I'll explain to you what each one of these things are in the search engine results, which is called a title tag, meta tag, description tag, and keyword tag. Okay? Also, using alt tags in your images for your term that you're targeting will help as well too. I'll explain that here in a little bit. Okay, now let's go into my website. Okay? So now we're going into my website. And it helps to have a video, people, too, on your website. That also helps. Okay? My business wants to earn your trust. Why should you trust us with your online business? Our proven results. I only trust results, people. And I am on page 1 in multiple cities for web design services. You type in Seattle web design in Yahoo or Bing. My site, SeattleWebDesign.co, is high ranked. Type in New York web design in Yahoo or Bing. My site, NewYorkWebsiteDesign.co, is also high ranked too. Okay? Now let me show you a couple little quick secrets and some tips on how to get high ranked in search engines. Now, as you can see as I scroll down here, right here, this term that says Yakima web design right here that I've highlighted, that's called an H1 tag. Now, when you do SEO for a website, you want an H1 tag, and then you want an H2 tag. As you can see here, I'll highlight again too. This is Yakima Website Design. Yakima Website Design. That's also good too, but you want an H1, H2, and H3 tag, which are all different font sizes in the URL for each one of those terms, and that helps get high rank, people. If you do an H1, H2, and H3 tag in your description on your main homepage, you will get high rank for that term if you get enough backlinks to it. And again, what is a backlink? A backlink is a URL or a different website linking back to your website saying your anchor tech key phrase. And that is why I'm high ranked for the term Yakima web design. As you can see back here, Yakima web design, number 2 ranked for that term in my area of business here locally in Yakima. Okay, and I've been doing web design for about 20 years, and I am an expert at this, people. Okay, I know all the tricks of the trade. I know how to get you high ranked. I know why I'm not number 1, because I am number 1 every once in a while. I just need to buy more backlinks to it. Matter of fact, it cost me $108, and I know that, to get number 1 ranked. But I get enough traffic from it anyway, so I'm not too concerned about it. Although, to be honest about it, first position for any key phrase gets about 35% of the traffic. Second position in Google gets about 17 to 19%. Third position gets less than 12%. And fourth position on get even less than that. You're talking about 4% or less for any other ranking other than the top 3 on search engines like Yahoo, Bing, and Google. Okay? Now also, I want you to check out this website too, freeSEOscorecard.com. Now I'm going to show you my website and it's SEO score. Again, that's freeSEOscorecard.com. And this is a case study of YakimaWebsiteDesign.com of why I'm high ranked in search engines for the term Yakima web design. And on this website, they'll give you a score for how good SEO you've done. and it should be above 50, I think is what it should be, or it should come out to 78 last time I checked for my score for my website. So let's go ahead and search that right now and see what happens here. Now that's freeSEOscorecard.com, and this will give me an SEO ranking of how good optimized my website page score is. So let's check it out here for a second. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, I got a 78 out of 100, so good work. Says I did a good job. And to be honest, 78 out of 100 is enough to get #1 placement in your local area of business for your website, okay? If I got a little bit better score, I would have done a little bit more things to it. But as you can see here, I did everything pretty much correctly. My page title tag is correct. Yakima web design SEO company. My page description is good. It says here I don't have an H1 tag, but the truth is I do. It's kind of showing up right here, but for some reason it's having a hard time reading it. But for some reason it's seeing my H2 and H3 tag headings, which I talked about too, and I also have an H4 tag heading, which is also good as well too. Links, my hyperlinks are active, and that is another URL linking back to my site. My images are properly formatted, which means they have an alt tag with the term Yakima web design in it. My keyword text emphasis density, that doesn't matter as much as you think it does, but mine is done pretty much correctly. But according to this tool, it's not done as well as it should be. I think on my, it says none of my text is bold, too much of my text is strong, and 0% of my text is underlined. Okay, no tables found good, no frames found good, no analytics found, and that is true. I don't have Google Analytics for that website because I have it hosted with GoDaddy, and GoDaddy shows me those results instead of Google Analytics. But that will also help as well too. No marketing animation found. The truth is I do have a marketing animation found. It's a YouTube video, but for some reason they're having trouble reading that. And that basically shows you some main things you want to look for when looking for SEO. As you can see here, web, Yakima, and design are the main Google keywords that I've got high ranked here. And again, my score was 78 out of 100, and that's freeSEOscorecard.com. If you want to check out how high ranked your site is, type that in on search engines and type in your website and see what you come up with. Again, this is my website here, which is yakimawebsitedesign.com. Okay, and let me scroll down here for a second. Some other things too. The difference between 5K a month and 100K a month could be one phone call. Give me a call. My phone number is 1-509-910-7727. My email is Robbie, that's ROBBY, at websitedesign777.com. Again, some questions you should ask yourself. When going with a web design company, you should make a website that is designed pleasing to the eye with the best marketing strategies out there that you can get to get quality traffic. Now, why does web traffic matter? Well, the more web traffic you get, the more sales you get, conversion into sales, convert into customers, and convert into people calling your phone. There's two kinds of website traffic. There's high value targeted traffic from search engines like Yahoo, Bing, and Google, Facebook, and Twitter. And then there's generic traffic that can come from randomly any website on the internet. Now, we get you high value targeted traffic, okay? I'm going to get you high ranked in Google, I'm going to get you high ranked in Yahoo and Bing, and I also can optimize your Facebook efforts as well too, and Twitter as well too, which are all great places to get high quality traffic, where people are looking for your online business and the type of services you're willing to provide randomly, whatever that is. Those are the best places to market and the biggest websites out there, okay? You want to get high ranked on those specific 5 websites, okay? Other places like Yellow Pages is good too, and yeah, having an ad in the Yellow Pages is good, or having a television commercial is even better, people, if you have the money to get that done. And I can possibly do that for you too, but we would need to talk to Fox Television about that. Anyways, ask yourself this question. If I was looking for your business as a customer, where would I go to look for your services? Would I go to Google? Would I go to Yahoo? Would I go to Bing? Would I go to yellowpages.com? Would I go to Yelp.com and look up a business review on your restaurant? I mean, look at the places that people are going to look for your services if you were going to do it for yourself. If you were going to look up your own business, I guarantee you probably look it up in Google or Yelp or some other website you use constantly, like Facebook. I mean, if you see good reviews on Facebook, good reviews on Yelp.com, which reviews restaurants and every business out there, then you're going to want to go with your business. And then that's where you need to put your focus on, people, is on your area of business in whatever you're just trying to sell, products and services or whatever. And again, too, I can get you guys website traffic too from search engines. Any key phrase. Okay, how much are you gonna spend on SEO with me? $50 to $1,000 I can do a lot with. But if you give me $1,000 plus, I can really drastically increase your sales. Drastically increase your sales. I also do web design, e-commerce, and a lot of other things that you need done with your website. Okay, email marketing, social media marketing. And again, my number is 1-509-910-7727. And this was a video about SEO for beginners, how to get high ranked at Yahoo, Bing, and Google, and a case study on Yakima website design.com for the term Yakima web design. Okay, again, that was Yakima web design, and that was the term I was trying to target and show you a case study of that website. Okay, and please give me a call on the phone, and I would love to talk with you about your business and how I can get you top placement in Google for your area of business. Again, this video was about SEO services. Thank you.